Hey there, in your route to confidence you will need to understand that blowing your own trumpet is not boastful. It's a way of letting people know that you're out there and what you're good at. I believe that many women don't like to blow their own trumpets, instead believing that their work should speak for itself. But in this age of increased noise, particularly in social media, I believe more than ever that women should blow their own trumpet, especially women in midlife. You have unique talents and skills that the world needs, and the world needs to know that you are out there, ladies. So in this week's video, I'm going to be talking about self-promotion and how to do it right. Here are some of the reasons why women don't self-promote themselves and don't blow their own trumpet. Okay, number one, as a child you were told it was not good to boast. I think this is one of the most common reasons, especially for ladies of a certain age. Our culture and our environment shape who we are as we grow up and input into our belief systems. I believe that a lot of we midlifers were raised to believe that bragging was a bad thing. However, the world has changed a lot. Don't know if you've noticed, and this may once have been true, but in today's chaotic culture we need to talk more about ourselves and what we can do, because if we don't talk about ourselves and we know ourselves best, who else is going to promote us in the best way? Here's point number two. It's a small point, but I think it's a biggie, if that makes sense. I'm not worthy of the accolade. As women, particularly midlife women, we love to put ourselves down. If we've been successful at something, we shy away from taking the credit for it, attributing the success to everyone but ourselves, down to luck or coincidence. This, ladies, is a classic trick of someone suffering from lack of confidence and fear of rejection. Check my post that talks about fear of rejection and know that you're not alone and you are worthy of accolade. Number three, ladies, my work speaks for itself. You know you're brilliant at what you do, so why should you have to tell anybody about it? Surely the results speak for themselves. In days gone by, this may have been the case. Word of mouth would have travelled your fantastic product or who you are or what you could do. But now everyone is shouting, and I mean everyone, so you have to shout too. You have to shout a little just to be heard. Now obviously do it with style, but make sure your voice gets heard by the right people. And the next thing, ladies, you shy away from attention. Now, for some women, being the centre of attention right in the spotlight with all eyes glaring on them is just too much to bear. Suddenly you are the centre of attention with everyone watching you. They're waiting for you to trip up. They're watching your every move, what you say, what you wear, and waiting for that big mistake. Yes, putting yourself out there is crazy and scary, and that's actually difficult to say, and nothing comes with a guarantee. But just think, what if it went right? How good would that actually be? You will never know until you try, and trying is much more than half of the battle, ladies. Oh my God, I can't live up to people's expectations of me. Oh no! I think you got the point there, ladies. Having achieved it, whatever it is, then you start to believe that you've now reached this plane of success and everybody's going to expect you to perform at that level all of the time. And that's really, really scary. So guess what you do? You retire into your shell and you think, just keep quiet about it, because then I won't have to do it again, because I might not be able to do it again. Well, sorry ladies, but get this, in this world of noise, in this world of the selfie, you are going to have to put yourself out there, otherwise no one will know you're even there, and then it'll all go horribly wrong. And yes, it is difficult to put yourself out there, blow your own trumpet and self-promote without it being all about you. But there are ways to self-promote and blow that particular trumpet of yours in a classy, stylish, information giving kind of way, and you can do this. So let's set those expectations as high as we possibly can, because you've got this. Self-promotion, it's not all about you, babe. Know this, whatever you are about to promote, somebody out there needs it. It's a valuable service to promote yourself, to blow your own trumpet. Now I'm going to read something here from the author Ryan Holiday. It's from a book, The Obstacle in the Way. Ryan Holiday writes about Stoic themes and is very popular in that arena. So what he says here in The Obstacle in the Way, he talks about an actor who started out as a failure. He went to casting after casting call and never got cast. He felt angry and disappointed with the casting directors, sure they were overlooking him for petty reasons. But then George Clooney realised he was looking at the entire situation the wrong way. Now, to quote Clooney, Clooney came to realise that casting was an obstacle for producers too. They needed to find somebody, and they were hoping that the next person to walk into the room was the right somebody. With that thought in mind, Clooney decided to walk into audition not as someone grovelling for a shot, but as someone with something special to offer, and from then his career took off. Now, it's the same with you. So I'm going to give you 5 reasons why blowing your own trumpet is a good thing. Number 1, if you don't do it, who will? You may have done some great work and achieved some fantastic results, but if people on whom you want to earn your living or people on whom you rely don't know about it, what's the point? Number 2, it's very, very noisy out there. There is a lot of noise with lots of people competing for lots of attention and lots of business. And that means promotion is a part of the job. Self-promotion is necessary if you're going to stand out from the chaos and be noticed. Number 3, there will always be haters. It's a fact of life that not everybody's going to like you anyway. Why worry about the people who are going to pick fault with you or waiting to trip you up? They would be doing that anyway. If you've done a good job and there is evidence you've done a good job, then you got the results that you deserved, and it's positive, so you can make a positive difference. So don't worry about the haters. Think instead about how good it will be when it all goes right. Focus on the goal and achieving the goal. 4, sorry people, it's got to be done. If you want to get on in life, it has to be done. Self-promotion is part of the game these days. If you want to get to the top of your game, reach the top of your field, then it has to be done. If you want more clients or you want to break through that glass ceiling, get that promotion at work, it has to be done through self-promotion. Self-promotion, if done properly, will help you towards this aim. It will help you achieve your goals, dreams and ambitions. And I know that I've said it before, but this really is one of those occasions where you've got to put your big girl pants on, take a deep breath and get on with this. You've got this. Number 5, it can have far-reaching results. If people are aware of your talents and expertise and the amazing results you can achieve, they are more likely to tell others about you. And in this social media busy world, that is a good thing. They are more likely to recommend you than ever before, even if they've never personally experienced what it is, who you are or what you do. Self-promotion doesn't have to feel uncomfortable or feel like it's boasting if it's done properly. Taking a focus off yourself and looking about the results of your program, your product, your solution can make a huge difference. Look at the difference you can make in somebody's world. It won't come across as egotistical. Instead of coming across as someone selfish, you will come across as someone who is out there and prepared to help. Hey, Okay, that was my little video on self-promotion and blowing your own trumpet. I believe we midlifers have got a lot to offer and we should be out there all of the time, ladies. Trust me, if I can do this, then you can do this too. It's not as scary as you think once you've made the first step. And if you truly believe you've got a contribution, and I certainly believe you have, then it will make it worthwhile for so many other people, so many other individuals. I talk much more about this in my confidence programs and in my marketing programs about self-promotion and about self-belief. So if you have any questions or queries, then do get in touch with me over at the Brainy Biscuit or leave me some comments at the end of this video. I am passionate to find out about what you find challenging in your day-to-day. I want to build a community of Silver Sisters that will help each other put themselves out there and take away some of the fear and give us all a huge confidence boost. Well, I hope you enjoyed my little video about blowing your own trumpet and self-promotion. It's lovely to see you all, and I would love you all to subscribe to my YouTube channel or to join me over at brainybiscuit.com or the Brainy Biscuit on Instagram. I'd love you to sign up to my email list if you do head over to brainybiscuit.com, and there you'll get a free 1-hour video entitled How to Get Whatever You Want. Now, I truly believe you can have anything you want in this life as long as you're prepared to pay the price. And my free video there gives you all of the tips you need to achieve this. Now, I'm always looking to get feedback, comments and help from you, my Silver Sisters. So I look forward to hearing from you however you get in touch, and I look forward to speaking with you all again very, very soon. Have a wonderful day and live your best life. Bye now.